Hello, this is Bill Sutliff, RPA for Eastern Pennsylvania. I'm in Lancaster County today, and behind me is BMR 15B75SX being harvested and put into this bunker. As you can see from the trench and the activity, there is a lot of movement, a lot of parts going here and there and everywhere. So please remember to be safe out there.